Hello guys, students. In this video I shall discuss about canal losses. The water from the canal is lost due to the following two main reasons. The one is evaporation loss from the surface, which depends on the temperature of the region, prevailing wind velocity of the region, humidity, area of water surface exposed to the atmosphere, depth of water in the channel, velocity of flowing water in the channel, and vapor pressure. And the second main reason is seepage losses through bed and sides, which depends on the underground water table position, porosity of water, porosity of soil, turbidity of water, temperature of water, amount of silt carried in suspension, velocity of water, depth of water, and conditions of canal system. So these are the main reasons for water loss in the canal. So first one is evaporation loss from the surface, and the second one is seepage loss through bed and sides. The next point is design of canals by Kennedy's method. Robert Kennedy was an engineer in 1895 in Punjab Irrigation Department. He carried out a pioneer research work for obtaining a stable, non-silting, non-scoring channel. He made observations on the channels of Upper Bury Doab Canal system. Kennedy's study revealed the following. The flowing water is to counteract friction against the bed of the channel, resulting in generation of vertical eddies rising up gently to the water surface and work up against the depth of channel. These eddies can always be observed over the full width of the channel. These eddies keep most of the silt in suspension. The vertical component of eddies tend to move the sediment up, and the weight of sediment tends to bring it down, thereby keeping the sediment in suspension. The second point is the silt supporting power of a channel cross section is mainly dependent on these eddies. Some of the eddies may start from the sides of the channel, but these are for most of their part horizontal and as such of no silt supporting power. The silt supporting power of the channel is therefore proportional to the bed width. A velocity is sufficient. Third point, a velocity sufficient to generate these eddies keeps the sediment in suspension, thereby avoiding silting up of the channel. This velocity is critical velocity, it is VO, defined as the mean velocity which just keeps the channel free from silting or scoring. The silt supporting power of a channel is proportional to V0 raised power raised to 5 by 2. Safe velocity 4 point. Safe velocity against erosion for canals in Punjab soil is 1 meter per second, corresponding to a depth of not more than 3 meter. Fifth point, the amount of silt help in suspension is proportional to the upward acting force of vertical eddies and varies as bed width and some power of the velocity of flow in the channel. Sixth point, a regime channel is that which neither silts nor scores. And the next point is coefficient of roughness n. Average for all irrigation channels is 0.02 for large canals and 0.025 for small canals. The design procedure will be sent uh, the notes. You can refer the notes. Thank you.